When it comes to our tool of the month, sometimes it's not a tool in the typical sense. This month, we're looking at a product designed to keep the workshop clean and reduce cleanup time at the end of an oily project. We're looking at DEI's oil rug. Anyone who has followed EngineLabs for any amount of time knows that I like to be clean and that I like to cover my workbench in blue shop towels when I'm working on anything even remotely oily. They've made appearances in quite a few articles because A, I want to keep the wood tops of my workbenches nice, and B, I don't like my workspace to be covered in slippery fluids. However, in the grand scheme of things, paper towels, or even shop rags really aren't the best tool for the job. They have relatively low fluid capacity, I don't care what you say, Bounty, and once they're saturated, they don't really keep the fluid off the bench top, which, if the wood isn't properly sealed, can lead to issues. So when I saw DEI's new oil rug, my interest was piqued. It's advertised as being able to hold 16 fluid ounces of, well, fluid per square foot of material. It's designed to work with oil and petroleum products, and it both absorbs and traps the fluid, keeping it separate from the work surface, which is nice when you have to leave something oily on the bench for an extended period of time. The oil rugs are available in 3 different sizes, ranging from the 12 by 18 inch small, all the way up to a giant 29 by 48 inch literal rug designed to go on the floor of your shop and keep oil off the ground during maintenance. As you can see, I run a drip tray under my engine stands, but let me tell you, that doesn't catch everything, especially during teardowns. For the workshop, the medium is going to be my go-to, as the 18 by 24 inch size makes it perfect for my workbenches. The best part is when you're done soaking up the oil, you can just put it back into the resealable package and dispose of it. Or, if you're like me, you'll probably reuse it a couple times if you haven't really dumped a lot of oil in a project. As you can see, I bagged up these pistons and rods straight out of the engine. You'll see more about what exactly I'm doing with these soon, but for now, it's clear that taking these apart is going to be a messy project. It's a perfect use case for the DEI oil rug. There's a night and day difference between the oil rug and a typical paper towel. The best part is that once I was done with the rug, the bench top was totally clean. It didn't require any secondary cleanup afterwards. Just fold it up, put it back in the resealable bag, or toss it. Done deal. Or if you're like me, put it in the cabinet and reuse it a couple more times. If you're someone who is concerned with keeping oil off the floors or work surfaces of your shop or garage, give these DEI oil rugs a look. They're pretty dang cool. Make sure to get subscribed to the EngineLabs channel and leave a comment below and let me know any cool tools you'd like to see us discuss in future installments on the EngineLabs Tool of the Month. Until next time, thanks for watching.